Hi, I'm Carole Conlon, and today's topic is about scanning places and things. So, what is scanning? That is acting like a radar machine, where you mentally send out that energy, that blip, and see what's around you, like they did do with submarines and sonar and whatnot. What will happen is if you are scanning, if there's something that you're not totally compatible with, your mind, the radar blip will jump a little bit and repeat and then move on smoothly. So that is your signal that there's something in your environment that isn't totally harmonious with you. If you're doing a room, what I would suggest is like start halfway up the walls where the artwork is and the clock and whatnot. And again, get calm, peaceful, and then send out that radar in one corner of the room, and then work through the entire room. And if you hit a spot where that little double take hits, there's a problem there. It can be a box out of place. It could be a pile of rubbish. It could be just a piece of artwork that you don't agree with. It could be a person standing there. So look at what is causing that little blip, fix it, and what a marvelous way to be in total harmony with your environment. Of course, you have to keep it clean, so that's the point. You can also use this method to like scan a house from the outside. You can tell if somebody's home or not. You don't want to use this for potential burglary or anything. Note that the watchdog might not show up on your radar until you're really skilled. I do use this method. I live in a place with shared laundry, and what happens before I go down to do my laundry, I scan the laundry room for blips. A blip means people are in there, which means usually the machines are being used. No blips, I can go down, at least there's no people, and I can see are the machines open or not. I'm still working on fine-tuning it so I can tell the difference between washer dryer that are being in operation or not. I'll go down there when there are no blips, and I've usually been able to get in. So it works for me. And it's a lot of fun. So harmonize yourself with your environment, learn to scan, pick up what's gnawing at your subconscious, and keep everything on board and clean. And I hope you liked the topic. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.